Hello everyone, today we are going to make bread loaf from all-purpose flour. I am going to make the dough on a food processor and not by the ideal process of kneading it with hands. Ingredients we need are our normal yeast, dry yeast. You can see it is very fine. I don't want thick granules. We want nice fine granules. So this I have taken it 16 grams. Then our milk powder, which I have taken 20 grams, salt, which we require 10 grams, water, which is 320 grams, butter 20 grams, sugar 30 grams, and half kg all-purpose flour. This is lukewarm water. I have roughly taken around 60 grams of water in a big bowl in which we are going to add the sugar. If we powder the sugar, it will be great, but even if it's granule, we can mix it in the water. Then we have to take just a spoonful of flour, mix it again in the water. The flour and the sugar, it acts as a catalyst or as a food for our yeast, because this is the process of activating the dry yeast. Now I am adding yeast to the water. Just stir it gently. Then we have to keep it covered and keep it at any closed place where you will not disturb it for next 15 minutes. I try to keep it in microwave always because it is warm. Warm allows it to grow faster. So by the time our yeast is getting ready, we will set our food processor. I just add around 10 to 20 ml of water to it. Very little butter to it. And we just have to whisk it once so that our vessel gets coated with butter. So that flour will not stick to it. Now we have to add our flour to it. 500 grams of all-purpose flour we have added. Then 10 grams of salt. Milk powder 30 grams. And little water. Our yeast is ready now. You can see it's nice frothy and it's warm and raised very nicely. We are going to add this to our flour now. I'll add some water to this bowl so that we don't waste any yeast. Yes, and it's ready. Once our dough is ready, at the end we add butter to it. Yes, our dough is ready now. You just have to give it nice uniform shape. Like this. Always make a point that our dough is moist on the surface. It should never become dry, and it should be in warm place. If you expose it to low temperatures, it will stop raising and you will not get the desired bread loaf. I always try to keep my dough in a very warm place where I can raise it at a faster rate. So here I have already preheated my microwave for 4 minutes, and then I turn it off and keep it like that for that dough to raise. The dough should raise at least twice its size.
Now you can see our dough is doubled in size and is ready for molding in the shape of a bread loaf. We can use same dough to make any kind of bread and even pizza base. Now we have to take the dough on a flat surface and spread it like this. We should not press it very hard. Gently deflate it and spread it simultaneously like this. It should be a thick layer, not very thin. We can wet our hands if required, and then start folding it from all the sides, from all the 4 sides like a square. We can gently spread it again, not too hard, but yes, there should not be any air bubbles left while we are folding it. Now after gently spreading, we have to start rolling it like this. Now here we have to make a point that it is rolled tightly. There should not be any air bubbles left inside. We have to keep pressing it from all the sides while we are rolling it. Keep rolling till the end. Nice tight folds like this. And now our roll is ready. Grease the tray or bread mold with butter. Now we have to transfer our roll in the greased pot. See to it that we are keeping the last edge of our roll at the bottom, at the base of the tray. Again gently spread it to fit it in our container, in our bread mold till the edges, so that our bread gets proper shape. Then we have to cover it with lid and again keep it for second raise till it's doubled in size. Keep it in warm place and see how it has nicely raised after half an hour, 45 minutes. And now we can bake it in our oven. We will bake at 220 degrees Celsius with lid on the mold for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. See, it is half baked. Then we'll remove the lid and again bake it at same temperature for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will have a nice crust on the top. You can see it like this, and our bread is ready. Now we just have to smear it with a silicone brush with butter. Nicely smear lot of butter on the surface. We have to immediately apply it on hot bread, not after some time. As soon as we remove it from oven, we have to apply the butter. Then we have to separate the edges with any blunt long instrument. Separate from all the sides and remove our loaf in a plate. You can see it is nicely baked in half an hour. Initially it is hard, we have to wait for around 15-20 minutes. As when it cools down, it becomes nice soft. Cut it with bread knife and our tasty, healthy, preservative free, homemade, handmade, yummy bread is ready.